Hey Toolarinos, I have a quick video to make of freebies. My son and I were heading down the road and saw a bunch of junk next to the road, so I stopped to look. There was no sign. We knocked on the door of the house nearby. They said everything was free. They were cleaning out their barn and it was free. So we got this older 10-inch Ryobi table saw. I plugged it in. It sounds fine. It seems to run fine. We have to clean it up and try out all the adjustments and things, but it seems fully operational. And there were some garden tool heads. I think these are for edging. And then old auto wrench. A nice little spade shovel, short handle. And the claw. I don't know what you really call this. It's a gardening tool. The tines are a little bent and the handle's kind of dark. So I assume they were using this, to turn logs in a campfire or something. But the handle still seems intact, even if it is pretty ratty looking. It does seem functional. And then out of the blue, my neighbor dropped off this Versamatic. Made in Chicago. It's a reducer for electric drill. So I put the drill on this end, and on this end it's got the Yankee style bit. Can I get it out of there? There it goes. It uses the old standard bit type, like in a Yankee push drill type thing. So, pretty neat. And my son asked why you would need this, and I explained to him the old electric drills were not variable speed. They only had one speed, so you couldn't really use them to drive a screw or a little socket. Pretty cool. And then one last item on the freebie pile is a home light chainsaw. I haven't tried to make it run. There's a cap broken off for oil, and the muffler is off over there in the box, but it's not broken off. So I don't know what's wrong with it, if anything really, but it has a service tag on it, like somebody had it at the shop. So I don't know. We'll have to take a look and see if it's something we can fix up. So be a good fix-up project. And then there was also a weed whacker that's just like one we have that I don't think it works, but it'll be good for parts. So free. Hey Toolarinos, just a little quick tidbit FYI. My son and I are dismantling bed box platform piece that goes under a mattress because we got some new beds, and I noticed the three main supports that pass under the middle of the bed are all different types of wood. This is what, like you would expect. This is a piece of a door frame. You can see where it was stained and where the extra piece of trim was. And at this end you can see where there was a notch for a hinge. And then this piece over here is also a stained piece of like old furniture lumber or something, where it was, salvaged or scavenged. So this box spring type wood box platform was made with scrap, which, I guess is cool from the standpoint of saving stuff, but from the standpoint of we spent like $3,000 something on this bed and box like 15 years ago. And I think they spent about $25 to build the box. So, just interesting tidbit.